You can always drive with peace of mind thanks to the Rodi SPS Group 2-3 high back booster seat from Maxi Cosi. The Rodi SPS has padded height adjustable head support with deep padded wings for side impact protection. Suitable from 9 to 18 kilos, the Rodi SPS offers excellent long-term value. The colour-coded belt guides make fitting your child simple and easy, whilst the padded seat provide ergonomic support and maximum comfort at all times. To fit, simply extend a length of belt, ensuring there are no twists in the shoulder strap. Follow the red guide at the top. Then, making sure your lap belt and shoulder strap go under the arms, simply clip your belt in place and pull tight to secure the seat. The additional head and lumbar supports are perfect for growing children. You'll love the ultra-lightweight design, perfect for carrying between cars or storing away. And due to its reclinable backrest, it fits in most cars. The removable covers are washable, letting you keep on top of any spills or mishaps on your travels.